I have uploaded a foot massage video, and it's more about how to tackle aches and pains in your feet, especially when you can't go to someone and get a massage. So I thought in addition I would just give you some extra tips, extra information. I did quite a bit with the acupressure stick, so I thought I'd show you some more things that I would personally do, but again it does all depend on your flexibility. The other thing that I didn't mention in the video that I think would be really helpful is if you've got foot pain or you get achy feet, think about some memory foam insoles in your shoes, because they can be great for just melding towards whatever shape your feet happen to be in. Some people have got flatter feet, that'd be myself. Some people have got really high insteps. Sometimes when they do have you ever been to one of the sports shops and they do the running test and they see how someone actually lands? So when they run, they actually see if you run and you may be more on the outside than the inside of the foot, or if you maybe don't fall completely balanced when your foot is on the floor. The memory foam insoles can actually help with that, so that's a good tip too. Another one is actually from the Ageless website, which you probably heard me talk about, and that's by the actress Glynis Barber. It just so happened when I was preparing for this, one of her articles was on the 21st of September, and it was talking about the benefits of allowing your feet to be free from shoes and just your bare feet. And one of the points that she made was that if you can go barefoot where possible, it can really help to reduce inflammation, because the theory is that you're grounding yourself, and by contacting the earth, i.e. what the floor that you're walking on, can really help. Now, obviously that goes into the energies speak, and some people get energies and some people just do not buy it at all. But if you're into your theories about energy flowing and the positivity and the energy actually revitalising you and helping to keep you healthy, then if you're into that, that would make sense that by grounding yourself and being in contact with the earth, that could actually help too. So if you're into that theory, into that thought process, you could definitely take a look at that too. But some things that I would do with the acupressure stick, so I already showed in the video that you could just simply be stretching things out. But if you've got flexibility, then what you could do is actually take your foot and you could be a little bit more vigorous with your rolling. So you could really support the foot and you could warm it up quite significantly, because you're not being too light with it. You really are getting in there and you really are rolling over the area. What you can do with the stick, either side, is you can really start working in, if you want to, into your pressure points. And you can spend a little bit of time, you can follow a tutorial. But again, it does depend on your flexibility. But as long as you've got support, then you could actually start working on your areas. I know that some of us are reflexologists. So you could actually, if you wanted to, even leave the acupressure stick and you could start working on some of the acupressure points yourself, or if you've got the flexibility, you could do some of the introductory massage, the feet treats, or the desserts as some people call them, and really get in there and stretch everything out. Again, you could use some massage mediums, some body lotion, whatever suited you, but it does all very much depend on your flexibility. If you've got the flexibility sitting on a bed, you can do that. You could also lie on the floor and just bring your leg up. Just imagine when you're doing some of your yoga classes or your stretches at the end of a workout. By that time, your body's quite warm, so they might get you to lie on the floor and then they'll get you to bring your legs in, flex and extend, so you can be doing that too. Or if you like to relax in a bath, once you've got the warm water all around you, then you can start gliding your feet backwards and forwards in the water. And by gliding in that warm water and just allowing the water to support your foot, you can do very gentle massage with the water, just gliding in and out of the warmness and just gently moving that foot and just allowing it to just fully take in that heat that's surrounding it, and just do nice circles and nice flexies and stretches and extensions, and just enjoy that heat. I'm talking myself into wanting a bath right now. That just sounds so nice when you're talking about it. So that's just some additional sort of foot care, self-massage ideas that are just for us here. And as I always say, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you've got any comments or any ideas, then let me know, and I'll see you again soon.